Welcome to another Ruth Faulkner Public Library online tutorial. Welcome to Kanopy, the online service that's free, unlike Netflix. One of the great things I love about Kanopy is that it's got over 30,000 free movies, independents, also animes. There's also things like documentaries, which are my favourites, and my children's favourites as well, with the added bonus of having school tutorials. So when you want to log on to Kanopy, you need to go to the Ruth Faulkner Public Library, log on to the e-resources, and then go to Kanopy. You need to go log on. If you haven't logged on with Kanopy before, you need to go to don't have a account, get started. You need to have a valid library card, and you put your library card number in, followed by continue. Then it'll ask for your email address, and it'll ask you to put in a PIN number as well. You need to make sure that you keep that PIN number safe and secure somewhere. And then once you're into Kanopy, you can search by Australian movies, or you can search by particular subjects, or if you want documentaries, it's as easy as just scrolling up and down. Also, on the top right-hand side of the module, you'll see Kanopy for Kids. If you click on that, it'll take you to cartoons, school tutorials, documentaries that are relevant for children, and anything else that children might be interested in. It's very easy to use, and children probably be able to use it better than parents. So just log yourself onto Kanopy today and just see how you go.